Okay, here we are again looking at ATRN. Did this one yesterday, and this video is going to be real quick. Just want to point something out, and also makes a little good kind of educational lesson too. But I see, or I've gotten quite a few questions from people kind of panicking and freaking out. And if you're a day trader and you're bought up there, yeah, that probably wasn't the best entry. But for the videos that we've been doing, this is more of a longer term kind of chart that we've been following. And I just want to point out something to consider. Right now, sure, this candle does suggest that there's probably going to be a pullback here. As any chartist would tell you, after upwards move and you get a candle like that, odds are that there will be a pullback. But remember, pullbacks are good and healthy for the chart. Case in point, right here had the pullback, but the support levels held, and then this was a result. So pullbacks aren't bad in and of themselves as long as the support levels hold. But let's consider something real quick, and this is the whole point of the video. So let me find the spot real quick. So right here, this line is being drawn at 0.025. So we'll just call this a 0.025 line, and we'll make it orange. So 0.025, why does this have any sort of, why does this matter at all? Well, first let's just look at the amount of shares that were traded in this area. So hit 0.05 on this day, and then this pullback. So not only were shares able to be purchased at 0.025, the next couple days right here they were able to be purchased for less than that amount. So 0.025, that's just the baseline. You can see here more shares were able to be purchased below 0.025. Here again, a few more were able to be purchased. So case in point, lots of shares were able to be purchased at or below 0.025. Today we look up here, where was the high of day? 0.0548. Let's just call it 0.055. So what does that tell us? That tells us that all these people that were able to get these 0.025 shares were now able to sell at 100% gain or more. So as expected, you saw some profit taking up here. That's what I think this is. It was these people simply taking their profits, locking them in, as they should. So congratulations, and that's what created this sell-off and upper wick here of the candle, was simply people getting their 100% and either moving on or waiting for a pullback. Which brings us to the next point. Assuming this was just a pullback, or was this simply profit taking, then if the price comes down here and tests 3 cents, and like I said, if it does, it might just not need to pull back that far. But if it does, then there should be plenty of people here that bought and sold with now profits that they can rebuy down here, which is the next logical level of support. So just keep that in mind. Like I said, a lot of people 0.025 taking their 100%, and if that's all it was, now if it's some external factor like insider selling or something like that, then this support level isn't going to be able to hold. But if that's all it was and the price comes down here, there's no really reason why it shouldn't be able to hold as support. So sure, there might be a pullback, but I would attribute today's action to simply the 0.025ers, as we'll call them, locking in their 100% gain and just locking in those profits. So that's what I wanted to get at. Like I said, a lot of people kind of worrying about the chart at this point in time. Nothing to worry about. Again, great example here. Pullbacks aren't unhealthy as long as support levels do hold. So if you get a pullback, just monitor these support levels and make sure they do hold. If there are any other questions on the chart or anything, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setup, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. I guess this video ran longer than what I thought. But anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.